Hello guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. This is Accra in Focus and my name is Kojo Harrison. Thank you so much for always checking me out on this channel. Today too we are back on the streets of Accra. We are showing you how quick and how fast Accra, Ghana is becoming. How quick and how fast Accra, Ghana is developing. So today we have landed here at Spintex Road. And guess what? We're gonna show you guys Ghana International Mall, the Ghana International Mall project, which is ongoing here at the Spintex Road. So this is one of the biggest mall in West Africa, or I may say the biggest mall in West Africa. Yeah. So the Ghana International Mall is undoubtedly the biggest mall in West Africa. But it is currently under construction, which is yet to be opened. So the first phase is done and the second phase is steadily ongoing. So in today's video we are coming to tour the place. We will go inside to show you guys how beautiful the inside looks, and also we will give you a drone shoot of the project. Yeah, so as you can see from the sky, this is the second phase, which is steadily ongoing. But the first phase, which is this one, has already been completed, and it will be opened this year for people who are interested in selling at this place to come and rent it and start selling ASAP. So as you can see, this is the inside view of the project. As I said earlier, it is still ongoing, okay, but very soon you will see that the place will be cleared, grasses will be planted, and you will see when it is done, when they are done with everything, I will come here once again to do a video about it. So this is the inside view of the project. It is very, very beautiful. The color and everything is on point. So as you can see, the color is colors of Ghana. That is a kente color. Yeah, it's actually colors of kente. That is a true culture of Ghana. So guys, this is the most talked about biggest international mall project currently in Ghana, and I mean the biggest and the largest in West Africa as well. So this is it. Please watch it to the end, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Please do me a very big favor. If you are new to this channel, do me a favor, okay? Subscribe, and also if you want to see more videos like this, leave a comment and also like this video and share. Peace out.